Azelique, Age Refining Pycnogenol Cream, 1 ounce, 28 grams. Product Overview Description. Azelique Age Refining Pycnogenol Cream featuring French pine bark, Pinus Pinaster, extract including green coffee, thyme, Rhodiola and Shea Butter evens out skin tone, helps to rebuild collagen and elastin hydrating, moisturizing and skin brightening suitable for all skin types. No parabens and no phthalates. Sustainable Forestry Initiative certified sourcing, cruelty-free and no animal testing. Eco-friendly packaging. Azelique Pycnogenol Cream is a unique age-refining, skin-brightening facial cream that helps even out skin tone, hydrate, moisturize and rebuild collagen and elastin. French pine bark extract, green coffee, thyme, Rhodiola and Shea Butter are a dynamic combination for beautiful, youthful and vibrant-looking skin. iHerb blog posts. 14 health benefits of pine bark extract. Day and nighttime skincare featuring Azelique products. Suggested use. Apply thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Other ingredients. Water, potassium azolyl diglycinate, cetyl olivate, sorbate and olivate, shea butter, ethyl esters, caprylic/capric triglyceride, glycerin, dimethicone, phenoxyethanol, caprylo-glycol, sorbic acid, xanthan gum, tetrasodium edta, acrylate/C1030 alkyl acrylate cross-polymer, tocopherol acetate, sodium hyaluronate, sodium hydroxide, Pinus Pinaster bark extract, pycnogenol, fragrance, Rhodiola rosea root extract, Coffea arabica, coffee, seed extract, Tamarind indica fruit extract, Thymus vulgaris, thyme, extract, Silybum marianum seed extract. Contains, soy. Pycnogenol is a registered trademark of Horfag Research, Limited. Warnings. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.